Meet the best all-in-one automotive scheduling software you can tailor yourself. AI guides every step, from online booking and real-time availability to service bay planning and technician dispatch. Our AI service advisor books the right customers into available service appointments in real time, 24/7. Get instant 24/7 support in 25 languages. Our AI booking assistant handles most questions in real time. Join leading auto service teams on a trusted, compliant scheduling platform with enterprise-grade security. Share your customer app link so customers can book appointments, pay online, and request service 24/7 from anywhere. Identify high-value auto repair customers with CRM analytics. And launch membership plans and targeted SMS/email campaigns. Easily manage all appointments, technician schedules, and customer notifications from a single dashboard, saving time and maintaining full visibility across your shop. Centralize your shop schedules, technicians, and service bays across every location in one dashboard to reduce errors and keep every appointment on time. Run your auto shop from anywhere, on any device, with real-time cloud sync and a seamless experience across web and mobile apps. Our smart scheduling platform automatically sends appointment confirmations and service reminders, and routes service requests to the right people at exactly the right time. Maximize your auto repair shop's revenue with a dynamic pricing engine that automatically adjusts service rates by appointment time, seasonality, demand, and customer segments. Data-driven analytics and robust integrations give you real-time insights for smarter scheduling and shop floor decisions. Get started free today and tailor the automotive scheduling platform to your shop's workflow and growth. Full details and the sign-up link are in the description below.